Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a stationery haul. So let's begin. So the first thing that I bought is this cute pencil set which has 3 colorful pencils with different hand simple erasers with each of them. It comes in this cute cardboard packaging and its price is 130 rupees, which is quite reasonable for such an adorable thing. Next is this mercury fiber color pens. They come in 12 different colors. Their colors are very sharp and bright. It is safe for kids above 3. They are pretty long lasting and its price is only 80 rupees. Next thing is this small cutter which is very useful to cut paper in different shapes and angles. It comes in plastic and cardboard packaging and its price is 200 rupees. I also bought this mini stapler which comes with this staple pins in another box. It is quite helpful in pinning papers together to arrange my assignments. Its price is rupees 150. Next thing is this goldfish flupa crayons. They come in this cardboard packaging which is good. There are 12 different colors of wax crayons. It is non-toxic and safe for kids use. Their price is only 200 rupees. Another thing that I bought are these glitter pens. They come in plastic packaging with a button to open and close it. There are 6 different colors of glitter pens which have sweet fruity smell. They are very cute looking and their price is 125 rupees. Last thing is this dollar pointer in black color which I use to outline my drawings, so it's pretty long lasting and useful and its price is only 50 rupees. So that's it. This was my stationery haul. You can buy them from your nearest stationery shop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And like this video, share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in my another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.